Hi everyone, welcome to Geek News Link. Today we will unbox and review Dlink Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug DSP-W118. So let's get into it. Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug integrates to mydlink smart automation ecosystem. Simply put, the new smart plug connected with mydlink app to enable smart home clever automation like scheduling devices, appliances turn and on off automated with IFTTT or Alexa or Google smart home devices. Some of the top features for the mini Dlink Wi-Fi smart plug: you don't require any additional hub. You can automate scheduling and timers, easily create on and off schedules. You can voice control with Google Assistant, Alexa, IFTTT to turn on and off devices using just your voice. Easy setup using my Dlink app to connect your smart home network. I've installed the Dlink mini Wi-Fi plug using my Dlink app. You can see it's easy to turn and off via the app. You can also create schedules to particular device in the app. To show you an automation routine using Dlink mini smart plug and Alexa, I've connected my bedside dresser light in bedroom and enabled my Dlink skill in Alexa. I've named the device as bed light, and using simple commands we can get Alexa to turn it off and on. Alexa, bed light off. Alexa, bed light on. Alexa, bed light off. Sky's the limit for automation based on your creativity, so you can use this smart plug to make life very easy. Mini smart plug also plays nicely with Dlink smart camera and my Dlink smart automation ecosystem. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.